So remember that green glowing thing I told you about the other day? Well, I just came up with the best idea. What if I look at it through this? That's exactly what I did. Before I show you, here's my 5 most recent subscribers, and if you want to be on that list, subscribe. First, I looked around Olive City. I saw a big Lucy there, a big Lucy there, and a big skull with 2 skeletons. And then when I looked at the green thing, I saw nothing. I know it seems like nothing was there, but what if the big skeletons play a part in what that could be? Oh yeah, and last thing. 6, 7...